Our family-run business has been at the home of UK agricultural fabrication since 1979. Situated in the heartland of England, Bateman are market leaders in agricultural engineering. Sourcing only the best of British, our UK steel is fabricated and finished at our Cheddleton headquarters, using cutting-edge technology to forge the future of agriculture. With a passion for quality, service, and reliability, Bateman meets the needs of our customers from concept to completion. Our dedicated design team pride themselves on developing innovative solutions, keeping Bateman at the forefront of international agricultural engineering. Combining automated manufacturing, software meets hardware on the workshop floor. With a team of skilled engineers, every order is hand-finished to the highest standards. Bateman understands the rigors and needs of national agriculture. And as with agriculture, we know that British means best. And for Bateman, there is no exception. Our raw material is selected, sourced, and specially treated here in the UK. With generations of expertise, Bateman has carefully selected our specialist British steel suppliers, with quality and assurance at the heart of our working relationship. Bringing agriculture and industry together. We manufacture to specification, and we build to last. Our industry-leading hot dip galvanizing process assures our customers of quality, toughness, and longevity. At Bateman, we pride ourselves on our commitment to our customers. Our made-to-measure service manufactures bespoke solutions for both agricultural and commercial needs. Our specialist team are on hand to survey and support your growing needs, whether on-site or over the phone. Taking care of every order, from design through to delivery. And from experience, we know that your needs can change quickly. With a dedicated fleet of specialist delivery vehicles, our extensive on-site agricultural stock enables Bateman to deliver solutions swiftly. Wherever you are in the world, and whatever your needs, Bateman will deliver. British name, British heritage, British strength. Bateman, forging the future of agriculture.